Welcome back. This next video on electric uke playing is about Down and Out by Genesis. They're my favorite band. I love everything Genesis does, from their Peter Gabriel albums to the Phil Collins ones. Less so their 80s cheese, but they're awesome. And at least you're getting something different, and hopefully Mike Rutherford doesn't show up at my door to abuse me for doing this. The good news is that the riff is not a long or complex one. It's a finger-picking riff based on octaves, and it's the same thing played in two positions. This is what I'm doing. I try to keep my thumb low and out of the way. The second part is pretty much the same, moved up. Notice I'm muting the riff immediately after with my palm. The bad news is that we need to do this a lot faster, and we need to work on speeding up our finger agility to do this. Again, you can pick if you like. I hope you'll let me indulge in playing keyboards at the start here for fun. The riff then kicks in, switching to chord progressions, returning to riffs after the recording stops. Tune your uke, and let's do it.
I'll sit on the phone, that's my game. Keep up the pressure on the